The reason I wanted to get cryotherapy in here is because I started doing it myself and the results were amazing. So I just knew that our patients would love it, so I brought it in here for them to try it, and so far it's been a great success. It definitely helps with inflammation. It burns calories, it helps with mood disorders, insomnia. I mean, the list goes on and on and on.
They're really rejuvenating. I love doing the cryo sessions. They're great. When I book my appointments, I call it, I'm going to go for a chill session. They really kind of help with your metabolism. They give you energy. I've got a couple of sports injuries. They're helping me heal. You know, I'm real pleased by that too.
Two things that I love about Premier Med Spa. One is the customer service. They are very welcoming, they're very friendly. You walk in there and it's a warm atmosphere. And number two is the expertise. They know what they're talking about. They know what you should get for your body, and they're gonna help you make you feel the best about yourself.
Here comes Vincent. Cross court, nice up. Ross Jennings playing Kent.
First player out of Plano, Texas, the Tiger from Louisiana State University. Give it up for Benny.
We used to play for fun in college and for fun in high school, so that's where I first fell in love with the sport. Today we're in East Plano at one of my friends' houses. They have 2 beach volleyball courts in their backyard. It's pretty awesome.
Benny Boo, it's Angela Benson. And their opponents, here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
Cryotherapy is really important for me to recover, with practicing 3 to 4 times a week, working out 3 times a week, doing an extra yoga or Pilates workout. The sand definitely takes a toll on your body, and cryotherapy helps me to recover quicker. So once I get back into sand, I'm not in any pain. I think for anybody who's never tried cryotherapy before, Premier Med Spa is a great place to go. They tell you all the benefits that there are. They take you step by step. They make sure to take your blood pressure before, make sure you're in the right state, and they make it very easy. Everybody thinks cryotherapy is going to be so cold and miserable, but it's really only 3 minutes, and they talk to you the whole time, so it only feels about like a minute.
But some alternative therapies can put your health at serious risk. So today, I'm revealing which ones can help and which ones are just hype. The first extreme alternative therapy is for pain management. It's called cryogenic chamber therapy. Now, cryotherapy is the application of cold temperatures to all parts of our body. And it's something we've used for a long time, right? Many of you may have tried this high-tech version, right? An ice pack. But imagine if you could grow it. Right over here is a cryo sauna. It's got liquid nitrogen that's released into the chamber to cool down the body and reduce the inflammation and the pain. So audience, what do you think? Does it help, or is it just hype? Yell out your answer. Oh, they are split. They are split. All right. The answer, it helps. These new expanded forms of cold therapy can be very helpful for folks who have debilitating pain and inflammation. And let me show you why. Here's an animation of what happens when you have pain and why cooling it makes a difference. So let's say you're exercising and you sprain your knee, right? You've got aches and pains inside of that knee. And what ends up happening when you have a eroded surface is the blood vessels over the painful limb begin to swell. And as those vessels swell a little bit, they'll release chemicals. And the tissue underneath, next to it, get influenced by these white blood cells that sneak across and release chemicals that cause inflammation, irritation, and almost a scratchy feeling. Now, that swelling can be addressed if you cool the joint. When you cool the joint, you shrink the blood vessels. And by shrinking the blood vessels, when they get smaller, it's harder for the white blood cells to escape. You have less swelling, therefore, the tissue around it, less chemicals released into the joint space, and less aches and pains overall. It also affects the nerves. Because when the nerves get cold, they stop sensing pain, and that influences, of course, the way your body will sense whatever's going on down there. So I'm going to try this out. Debbie is here to help. How are you, Debbie? Thank you very much for being with us. So now I'm told that you've actually tried cryogenic therapy before.
Yes, I've done it 4 times.
4 times?
Yes.
So I want you to get in, if you don't mind, the cryo sauna. And we're going to try this out. Debbie's agreed to do it for us on their stage for the first time. We're going to see if it makes sense. So the door's open like this, I guess. There it goes. Okay. Now, normally you only wear your socks in here. But because this is a nationally televised program, I'm going to grab, without looking at her gown. There she is. Da-da-da. There we are. And we got it there. Perfect. All right, now, the treatment takes Oh, here we are. Treatment takes about 2.5 minutes, but I, of course, want to see Debbie's head before I start. So I'm going to lift her up. I'm starting it up now. I see hands. It's a start. I see hands. There she is. You ever get scared in there?
Not anymore. I was
So
the first
what
time.
this device does is it rapidly pushes out. Good enough? Okay. So it rapidly pushes out a cold gas. And while Debbie's in the cryo sauna, I'm going to move on, but we're going to come back again. It takes 2.5 minutes. You're going to keep your hands up like that?
Yes.
Okay. Everyone ready?
Yep.
Oh, I can see the gas coming out. It's chilly in there, I bet.
It gets really cold. It's cold like if you went out in the snow naked.
All right. So that's the metaphor, out in the snow naked.
Our clients that have been in pain for years are actually feeling good again. They can get out, they can walk, they can work out, they feel good, and that's what we love.
It's an amazing treatment, and it's, I mean, one of the top ways to detox. Just by, you just go and stand in this chamber for 3 minutes.
You're in there for 3 minutes. Over the next 24 hours, you're gonna burn 500 to 800 calories.
So I love cryo for reducing inflammation. I was actually in a really bad car accident a couple months ago and had extreme back pain, and I just got in that cryo chamber a couple times a week, and I swear it was a miracle. Like, forget physical therapy, like all I need to do is cryo. It takes all the inflammation out of your muscles. It just gives you new, fresh, healthy blood straight to those muscles and your extremities, and really, really helps to get that inflammation out of your body.
So the third benefit of cryotherapy, which is great, is the muscle recovery. So you go do your hard workout and then you come do cryotherapy and you will not be sore the next day. I mean, you may be a little bit sore, but you will not feel it like you normally would.
Doing cryo right after, it cuts that inflammation and that muscle swelling, and I mean, just
It's equivalent
really
to
helps.
a 30-minute ice bath in 3 minutes. I hate being cold. The first time I did it, I psyched myself out. It's a super dry cold, so it's really not bad. I mean, it's
y'all just
easy.
told me burn 500 calories, and I was in there. Like, I didn't even care about being cold. I'm like, I'll do it. Like, yes, sign me up. So one of the things that I love about using the HydraFacial on my clients is it clears up their acne. Acne is one of those things that people battle with all the time because they just aren't getting that good deep cleansing. So when they come in for the deep cleansing with the HydraFacial once a month, and we use all of these antibacterial properties, and we have a blue light therapy as well that really, really targets that bacteria, it can clear up your acne within one treatment. It's just amazing.
The leading aesthetic practitioners agree the HydraFacial MD award-winning technology advances non-ablative, non-laser skin rejuvenation like no other. In published clinical studies by leading US doctors, HydraFacial MD was shown to yield better results than IPL and other common skin treatments for facial rejuvenation, improving the tone and texture of the skin. Proven efficacies are achieved through HydraFacial MD's patented 4-in-1 Vortex technology system. 4-in-1 Vortex technology system employs vortex cleansing, hydropeel exfoliation, vortex extraction, and vortex fusion, all in a single treatment. The HydraFacial MD procedure is proven effective for all skin types and addresses a multitude of skin concerns. The treatment delivers instant, lasting results with no downtime or discomfort for clients. The HydraFacial MD Hydropeel Tip's unique spiral design and powerful hermetic suction provides unparalleled non-invasive skin resurfacing and temporary pore opening to effectively cleanse, exfoliate, and extract impurities evenly without damaging the skin, while simultaneously delivering proprietary serums to the skin. The first step in the HydraFacial MD treatment, vortex cleansing and hydropeel exfoliation, gently cleanses the skin and effectively exfoliates the stratum corneum layer, removing dead skin cells and sebum. This allows the skin to reflect more light and appear brighter and healthier. The second step uses a non-irritating, effective mix of both salicylic and glycolic acids to help loosen deep pore debris and dirt. This may prevent the formation of the pustules involved in acne. The third step uses painless vortex extraction, providing strong vacuum suction to automatically remove blackheads and other impurities. The fourth step in the Hydrofacial MD procedure applies vortex fusion, delivering a pro-antioxidant formula with potent peptides and hyaluronic acid into the skin. This step provides detoxification, rejuvenation, and restoration for healthy skin structure and function. Using the most advanced non-ablative, non-laser skin rejuvenation system on the market today, the Hydrofacial MD with Vortex technology thoroughly cares for your client's skin to provide effective, long-lasting results with no downtime or discomfort.
Today we're turning back the clock on the inside of your body, but right now Dr. Orton is working on the outside. Sally wrote an email saying she couldn't afford plastic surgery. She was afraid of lasers. She was looking for an alternative to make her look younger. As you can see, he's already begun his age-reversing hydrofacial on Sally. And I know this is unique, Drew, so tell me why.
This is the Hydrofacial system by Edge, and really what it's all about is this special spiral tip. It has a vacuum, but it's also infusing serum, antioxidants, and moisturizers. So we're cleaning her pores. We're getting rid of dead skin. We're exfoliating the existing skin, and at the same time, we're infusing all these special materials that are going to help rejuvenate, thicken, and repair her skin.
How long does this take?
This whole procedure will take about 15 to 20 minutes for her, and very often we do combine it with light therapy as well. And ideally, you need to do these treatments monthly for I like to see, usually recommend 4 to 5 times, something like that, to see appropriate results.
And you showed the light therapy earlier on Jimbo.
We have the LED that we're going to do on top. Now that works totally in a different way, as I mentioned. It's sort of like photosynthesis. It's the light energy that's going into the dermis. It stimulates collagen growth, realigns elastin fibers, thickens the skin, makes it nice and healthy.
And who feels good too. So it feels fine.
Well, it's like a little, I had this done last week too, and I love it.
Did you really?
I love it. It's
so
really.
Is anyone a candidate then?
It's great for all types of skin. It's great for people that have brown spots. It's great for rosacea. It's great for acne type skins that have plug comedones, blackheads. It extracts all of that with the vacuum suction component of this great system. Okay. Sure all right. Now I want to show you. You can see she's a little bit red, but that's that suction effect. We're now going to switch and do a little light therapy, the LED therapy for her, which cutting edge stuff. No discomfort, no downtime. You know, and you have to repeat this. You have to do this. Isn't that cool looking? Actually, you can do both of these. These are two different types of light. If you can help me here.
Then you go over all of her skin with this light.
Hey, you gently massage it on there and let this light penetrate into the skin, into the dermis. How's that feel, Sally?
Exciting.
It's amazing.
We'll find out how Dr. Orton's age-reversing hydrofacial worked on Sally when we come back, and we'll tell you what you can do right now for younger-looking skin. I'm going to give you a hint. It's a key ingredient in a pina colada. It's not the alcohol.
I think the biggest change would be in my skin and my face. I'm going to be 52 in June. I look back at pictures and I actually think I look younger. I'm not sure if that's true, but I do feel that way. The service I feel like I've benefited the most from is the hydrofacials. It's the glow that the hydrofacial gives you after you leave. You're just glowing, and it just keeps my skin clearer. It's helped with my adult hormones, and it just makes me feel good. Y'all are killing me. All right. The level of care at Premier Med Spa, it's just way above the rest. They make you feel comfortable and they educate you, and you're not a number. You're a person that matters.
Nicole guided me through the weight loss process as my weight loss coach. Even when I would have a setback, she always presented a change or an option to me in a positive manner that made me feel like I could do it. And through this process, I've lost 50 pounds. I have more to go, but I know that with Nicole behind me, I'll get there. People come up and say, hey, wow, your skin looks really great. Or they'll say, you look wonderful with the weight loss that I've experienced. And it doesn't take me a second to say, hey, let me tell you about Premier Med Spa. Probably not anything I haven't tried. And I've never experienced success until I came here. When I come in, I feel like I'm part of their family. I feel like I'm more than just a patron. I feel like they know me, they care about me, and they want to help me achieve my goals. And they do so in a manner that makes me a partner in what they're doing for me.